feminists, they are very dangerous for humanity and Muslim community. কথা বলুন ঠিক না? We are very clear speech for international community. Don't establish feminism law in Bangladesh. কথা বলুন ঠিক না?
A mega rally of Bangladesh Hifazat Islam has begun at Shahrid Udan with 5 points demand, including the abolition of Women's Reform Affairs Commission. In the meantime, numbers of activists and supporters have gathered in this procession. And here, the chief of Hifazat Islam, Shah Mohibullah Babunagari, he is presided this meeting today. At the very evening and the day earlier, numbers of participants, they came from the different parts of the country to join this procession. And they are for numbers of demands. In the meantime, they have already told, they got the message of the 5 points demand. Could you please tell us what is 5 point demand of today's rally?
Of course, we will clear speech from this place. Hifazat Islam is a non-political Islamic organization, and we are Muslim community. We are from madrasa student and ulama ikram. We are tell for our government stop the feminism, this feminism law, this feminist, they are very dangerous for humanity and Muslim community. কথা বলুন ঠিক না? Muslim Taslima Nasreen is the best. She is a very dangerous, and she is a very clever, and she is a very dirty fool.
Well, I got in the 5 points demand, we heard the evaluation of the Reform Commission, I mean Women's Reform Commission already referred. So what is that point basically do you want to disseminate in this rally?
Islam is the best religion. Islam save our sisters community, our women's community, and we believe that Muslim community women don't accept this law. কথা বলুন ঠিক কিনা? Muslim community, Al Quran is the our constitution. কথা বলুন ঠিক কিনা? Muslim Ummah believes that Al Quran is the solve of the problem. কথা বলুন ঠিক কিনা? And we are clear speech from Dhaka University, Raju Bhaskara, our government, please stop the feminism law, and Bangladesh Muslim community, Hifazat Islam, Dhaka Mahanagar, Jamiyat Ulama Islam, Bangladesh, our chief of state, chief advisor, Professor Yunus, he is the best person of world. He is the best leader of Bangladesh.
Okay. So could you tell me what is the message of Hifazat Islam that you would like to say to the national and of course the international community?
We are very clear speech for international community, United Nations and others international community. Don't establish feminism law in Bangladesh. কথা বলুন ঠিক কিনা? Because we believe that Bangladesh is a Muslim country. 92% Muslim live in Bangladesh. 92% Muslim community. This is the Muslim country, and we believe that Islam is the best religion. Islam believes that independence of women's community and all Islamic rights, human rights have the Holy Quran. কথা বলুন ঠিক কিনা?
What is the role of Hifazat Islam in case of the people who are not Muslim, those are living in Bangladesh, I mean the non-Muslim? What is really take the initiatives to ensure their safety, security, and of course their human rights?
Yes, sir. Hifazat Islam is a non-political organization, and Bangladesh Muslim community and the Holy Quran says that all non-Muslim who is live Bangladesh, non-Muslim, we are protect them. We want they all live in Bangladesh, but not anti-Islam. কথা বলুন ঠিক কিনা? Every Quran is the Holy Quran is the last statement of Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. Al Holy Quran is the all problems solved in not only Bangladesh, all over all the world. Every person women's community and men's community. So Hebazat Islam community, Hebazat Islam Dhaka Mahanagar community organization says that stop the feminism law, feminist law in the Bangladesh. কথা বলুন।
Here, come to the point, we got to know that numbers of cases filed against Hebazat Islam supporters during the massacre. It is claimed from Hebazat Islam that numbers of supporters of Hebazat Islam killed in the Perrier government period. So on the time, numbers of cases filed. So in this demand, the 5 points demand, is there any message that you want to send the government for the cases?
You know that Hebazat Islam is a non-political organization and Shapla Sattar is our tradition, our historical monument. কথা বলুন ঠিক না? Shapla Sattar Shahid, they are braves, they are our proud. We proud them. They are shahadat and we know that 63% the human rights Bangladeshi human rights organization Odhikar Dr. Adilur Rahman has says that 63% Hebazat Islam activist shahadat the Shapla Chattor we are for Hebazat Islam Dhaka Mahanagar says that in this government please accept our shahadat 63% and this we want to the monument Shapla Sattar will be a Shahid Chattor কথা বলুন we want Shapla Sattar called will be Shahid Chattor কথা বলুন ঠিক না Shapla Chattor কে আমরা হেফাজতে ইসলামের পক্ষ থেকে হেফাজতে ইসলাম ঢাকা মহানগর পক্ষ থেকে জমিয়ত উলামা ইসলাম বাংলাদেশ জমিয়ত উলামা ইসলাম ঢাকা মহানগর থেকে বলতে চাই Shapla Chattor কে শহীদ চত্বর হিসেবে ঘোষণা দিন হেফাজত ইসলামের এই মহাসমাবেশ থেকে ঢাকা বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের এই রাজু ভাস্কর্যের পদদেশ থেকে আমরা মাননীয় আমাদের প্রধান উপদেষ্টা আমাদের বিপ্লবোত্তর ছাত্র জনতা আলেম সমাজের বিপ্লবোত্তর এই আমাদের প্রধান উপদেষ্টাকে বলতে চাই শাপলা চত্বরকে অবিলম্বে এই মে মাসে শাহাদাতের মাসে শাপলা চত্বরকে শহীদ চত্বর হিসেবে ঘোষণা করতে ওখানে বাংলাদেশের ছাত্র সমাজ যুব সমাজ আলেম সমাজ সব শ্রেণী পেশার মানুষ ওখানে আল কোরআনের একটি চত্বর হিসেবে তৈরি করে এবং ইসলামিক একটি ভাস্কর্য তৈরি করে
Okay, as you mentioned that Hebazat Islam Bangladesh is a non-political organization, and we're a little curious to know that if your party, this organization, get an opportunity to run the country, so what kinds of policy will you implement to run the country?
Hebazat Islam is a non-political organization. We believes that Hebazat Islam save our country. Hebazat Islam believes that humanity of all peoples, not only Muslim. It is a non-political organization, but every political organization that Jumiyat Ulama Islam Bangladesh, Nizam Islam Party, Jumiyat Chhatro Jumiyat, Khilafat Majlis and Chhatro Majlis, all Islamic political, Jamaat Islam, Bangladesh Islam Chhatro Shibir, all Islamic political, all organization include the Hebazat Islam. One senior journalist says that the Hebazat Islam is like a NATO. NATO has 29 countries include this NATO organization. Hebazat Islam like a NATO organization. All Islamic political party and such as BNP too.
You're going to mean that you represent numbers of parties as a representative of the country?
Of course.